Positive statements that we repeat to ourselves may seem small, but their impact is monumental. They have the power to shape our self-perception, to mold us into confident, self-assured individuals we're meant to be. So, in this series, we'll explore the very essence of confidence and self-esteem and how they're linked to affirmations. Confidence is like a light that guides us through life's twists and turns. It's the belief in our abilities, the trust in our judgment, and the assurance that we can tackle whatever comes our way. And when we're confident, challenges become our opportunities. Self-esteem, on the other hand, is the deep-rooted sense of our own worth. It's about recognizing that we deserve love, respect, and happiness. It's the knowledge that we are enough, just as we are. But how do affirmations fit into this equation? Affirmations are like seeds that we plant in the garden of our minds. With care and nurturing, they grow into a forest of positivity, strengthening our confidence and self-esteem. They challenge the negative beliefs we might hold about ourselves and replace them with empowering truths. For example, consider this affirmation: I am capable and strong. When we repeat it regularly, through moments of doubt, it reinforces your belief and your confidence. Similarly, affirmations like I am worthy of love and respect serve as a constant reminder that you're deserving of all the good that life has to offer. Now, let me share a secret with you. The beauty of affirmations lies in their simplicity. They require no special skills or resources. All you need is a willingness to embrace positivity and a commitment to your own growth. Number 1. Affirmations for self-acceptance. Imagine looking in the mirror and saying to yourself, I am enough, just as I am. These simple words carry a mighty force. They dismantle the barriers of self-doubt, replacing them with an unwavering belief in your inherent worthiness. Affirmations for self-acceptance are like gentle care for the soul, and they heal the wounds of self-criticism, allowing the beauty of your true self to shine through. I am worthy of love and respect. I embrace my flaws as part of my uniqueness. These are the affirmations that echo in the chambers of your heart, reinforcing the truth that you are worthy of all the love and goodness that life has to offer. But let me tell you, this journey towards self-acceptance is not always easy. Society bombards us with unrealistic standards and expectations. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparison and self-judgment. That's where affirmations become your armor, your shield against negativity. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize them taking root within you, spreading their healing energy through every fiber of your being. Picture them as the seeds of a magnificent garden, each one representing your unique. Remember, self-acceptance is a journey, not a destination. It's a daily practice, a commitment to treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Affirmations are the gentle reminders that guide you on this path, nurturing the seeds of self-love until they blossom into a garden of unshakable self-acceptance. Number 2, affirmations for body positivity. Our bodies are unique, yet it's too easy to fall into the trap of comparison, to believe that we should conform to a certain standard. But let me tell you, true beauty lies in the diversity of our shapes, sizes, and features. Affirmations for body positivity are like gentle whispers of love to our physical selves. They remind us that we are more than just our appearance. I am grateful for my strong, capable body. I am comfortable in my own skin. These affirmations affirm the truth that you are enough, just as you are. Picture these affirmations as beams of light, illuminating every inch of your body. Feel them wrap around you like a comforting and dissolving any doubts or insecurities. It's important to remember that our bodies are not ornaments. They are instruments of experience and expression. They allow us to feel, to touch, to dance, and to embrace the world around us. When we treat them with love and gratitude, they respond with vitality and strength. Affirmations for body positivity empower you to rewrite the narrative. They free you from the shackles of societal expectations, allowing you to reveal the beauty of your unique form. Let this be the day you start to love with your own body. Let every step be a celebration of your body. Remember, you are a work of art, a living beauty of diversity. Number 3, overcoming negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is like a dark cloud. It feeds on doubt, insecurity, and fear, declining our confidence bit by bit. But here's the secret: you have the power to change the narrative. Affirmations for overcoming negative self-talk are like rays of sunlight piercing through the clouds. They dispel the shadows, replacing them with the warm, nurturing light of self-compassion. I am worthy of love and kindness. I choose to focus on the positive. These affirmations are your weapons of self-defense. Picture yourself standing tall amidst a storm, armed with affirmations as your shield. As the negative thoughts attempt to assail you, these affirmations makes them powerless. With each repetition, you build your mental fortress, making resistance to negativity. It's essential to remember that negative self-talk is not a reflection of your true worth. It's a conditioned response, a habit that can be unlearned. Affirmations serve as a powerful tool in this process. Gently tap your mind towards a more positive and empowering narrative. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize them as seeds of positivity, taking root in the fertile soil of your mind. Picture them growing into sturdy, resilient trees, their branches reaching for the sky, symbolizing your ever-expanding confidence. Let this be the day you reclaim your inner dialogue. Let it be a day of liberation from the chains of self-doubt. Affirmations are your battle cries, your declarations of self-worth in the face of adversity. Number 4. Affirmations for assertiveness. Assertiveness is like a flare of strength that radiates from within. It's the ability to communicate your thoughts and desires with clarity and confidence, without infringing on the rights of others. It's about recognizing your worth and ensuring it's honored. Affirmations for assertiveness are like, my voice deserves to be heard. I am confident in expressing my needs. These affirmations enable you to navigate the world with a sense of self-assured grace. Imagine yourself as a sturdy oak tree, firmly rooted in the earth. As the winds of external influences blow, you stand unwavering, your branches reaching for the sky. These affirmations are the nutrients that feed your roots, providing you with the strength to hold your ground. It's important to understand that assertiveness is not about aggression. It's about advocating for yourself with respect and empathy. Affirmations act as your guide, helping you find the balance between being confident and being mindful. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize yourself in situations where your assertiveness shines. See the impact it has on your interactions, how it fosters mutual respect and understanding. Let this be the day you step into your power. Let it be a day of embracing your right to assertiveness, of recognizing that your voice matters. Number 5. Affirmations for achieving personal goals. Personal goals are like guiding stars that illuminate the path to your dreams. They give purpose to your journey and direction to your efforts. They could be big or small, but each one holds the potential to bring you closer to the life you envision. Affirmations for achieving personal goals are like the fuel that move you forward. I am committed to my goals. I have the skills and resources to achieve what I desire. These affirmations inspire you with the determination and belief in your ability to make your dreams a reality. Imagine yourself at the helm of a ship, steering through the vast sea of possibilities. These affirmations are your compass, always pointing you in the direction of your dreams. With each repetition, they strengthen your purpose, ensuring you stay on course even when challenges arise. It's important to remember that achieving personal goals is not solely about the end result, but also about the journey itself. Affirmations serve as your companions, reminding you to celebrate each step, no matter how small, as a victory on your path. As you repeat these affirmations, visualize yourself in the moment of achievement. Feel the emotions of fulfillment, of knowing that you've turned a vision into a reality. Let this be the day you take charge of your destiny. Let it be a day of unwavering commitment to your goals, of knowing that you have the power to shape your own future. Number 6. Affirmations for professional success. Professional success is not just about climbing the ladder. It's about finding fulfillment and purpose in your chosen field. It's about knowing that your contributions matter and you are a valuable asset to any team or organization. Affirmations for professional success are like the wind beneath your wings, propelling you towards your career aspirations. I am confident in my abilities. I am a valuable contributor to my workplace. These affirmations inspire within you the confidence and belief in your capacity to excel. Visualize yourself as a powerful force in your professional sphere, making meaningful steps towards your goals. These affirmations are your constant companions, whispering encouragement in your ear when challenges arise. With each repetition, they ensure you to stand tall in your professional endeavors. Remember, professional success is not just about external recognition, it's also about internal satisfaction. Affirmations remind you to take pride in your accomplishments, no matter how big or small, and to acknowledge the unique skills and talents you bring to the table. As you repeat these affirmations, picture yourself thriving in your chosen field, making a positive impact and leaving a legacy of excellence. Embrace the feeling of fulfillment that comes with knowing you are living your professional purpose. Let this be the day you step into your power in the professional arena. Let it be a day of unwavering confidence in your abilities, of recognizing that you have what it takes to succeed. Number 7, affirmations for positive relationships. Positive relationships are the cornerstone of a fulfilling life. They bring joy, support, and a sense of belonging. They allow us to grow and evolve, knowing that we have a circle of people who truly care for us. Affirmations for positive relationships serve as the seeds of harmony in the garden of your connections. I am worthy of love and respect. These affirmations nurture the foundation of healthy relationships, starting with your own self-worth. Visualize your relationships as gardens, each one unique and vibrant. These affirmations are the nutrients that enrich the soil, ensuring that your connections flourish and thrive. With each repetition, they strengthen the bonds of trust and affection. It's important to remember that positive relationships begin with your relationship with yourself. Affirmations remind you to treat yourself with love and respect, setting the standard for how others should treat you. As you repeat these affirmations, envision your relationships blossoming with mutual understanding and support. Let this be the day you nurture the garden of your relationships. Let it be a day of acknowledging your own worthiness of love and respect, and extending the same to those around you. Through these, we've learned that affirmations are not mere words. They are the instruments of change. They have the power to reshape our self-perception, to dissolve the barriers of self-doubt, and to illuminate the path to a life lived with purpose and fulfillment. But remember, this journey doesn't end here. It's a continuous path of self-discovery and growth. Affirmations will remain your faithful companions, guiding you through the ups and downs, reminding you of your worth, and inspiring you to reach for the stars. Believe in yourself, for you are a force of nature, capable of creating ripples of positive change in the world. Your journey towards self-empowerment is a gift not only to yourself, but to everyone whose life you touch. So, go forth with confidence, with the knowledge that you are worthy, capable, and deserving of all the good that life has to offer. Keep moving forward, for the world is waiting for the brilliance and impact only you can bring. May your days be filled with the radiance of self-love, confidence, and positive connections. Thank you, and stay blessed.